It's a gay pride. Hello everyone, and welcome to Valentine's Day evening on Confessions at Room 3428. I am Josh, and I am kind of sick. I had planned on doing something special today, because it was Valentine's Day, and I went out earlier this morning to shop for this something special. And there was a cold snap last night, and there's lots of cedar in Austin pollinating in the winter. And it was as if the cold snap plus the cedar fever was as if someone had taken a sock full of pollen, cedar pollen, and smacked me in the face with it and then pushed me down the stairs. So I've been like this for most of the day and actually fell asleep for quite some time, which is why this is kind of late. But this is why I don't have my my special thing for you. My power's back on. My power was off this week. It's a long story. So I don't have a recipe to show you, Kim, because there's a stack of dishes in the sink and a refrigerator that's about to come to life and strangle me. Addie, my middle name, you should know this. I can't really think of any hints. This sinus medicine makes me feel drunk. But here's what I came up with. I think it's a New Testament name. There's a few folk singers I share a name with, and I share a name with one of Judd Apatow's regular cast members. So, also, my name might appear on a condiment or two. Not a condom, a condiment. Andy, you wanted us to cheer you up. Well, I don't think I've ever actually told this joke on the channel before, and since it's Valentine's Day and I needed to do something special, I figured this may as well be it, since I look like I was run over, ridden hard, and hung up wet. So a man walks into a bar, and there's a whale sitting at the bar. But there's no other seats left, and the man doesn't think anything about it. And he sits down next to the whale and he has a few drinks until he's a little sloshed, a little tipsy, a little pickled. Under the table. And he finally turns to the whale and he says, "Whale, I've had a really bad week. On Monday, I backed over my son going to work. On Tuesday night, I found out my wife was leaving me for my uncle. Sometime midweek, my daughter choked, Harmacare, and today at work, I was replaced by a duck. Then I mentioned my wife was leaving me for my uncle. Do you have any advice for a guy who's had a really bad week? And it only has 2 months to live." So the whale thinks about it for a moment. I mean, you can't really say anything to someone in this sort of situation. And you want to be careful if you don't know what they're going to do. So the whale considers it for a moment. He thinks very seriously about it. And he finally takes a sip of his drink, turns to the man, says very seriously, "Someone else can't talk." So that's me for this week. I'm hoping to have something special for you guys soon. It did not happen today, obviously, and I apologize. I hope everyone's having a nice Happy Valentine's Day. Much love, much love. Wish you all, see you all. Big bang bong. I always do those weird sign-offs. What is that? Bing, 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 bong.